Welcome to today's recipe. We are making a classic ground beef stroganoff, a rich, creamy and comforting dish. Here is what you will need. You can pause the video to see the exact ingredients and measurements on your screen. Now let's heat up a pan and add a little oil. Once it's nice and hot, we'll start by sauteing the onions. Once onions start to soften, add the garlic and saute for another minute or so until you can smell it. Next, add the ground beef and cook everything together, stirring occasionally until it's browned and caramelized. Now add the mushrooms to the mix. Let them cook for a few minutes until they are soft and have released their moisture. Next, add the flour, 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring to coat the beef and mushrooms. Keep mixing until all 3 tablespoons are well incorporated. Now, pour in the beef broth and give it a good stir. Add the Worcestershire sauce, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken and reduce. While that's cooking, bring a pot of water to a boil, adding a pinch of salt. Once it's boiling, drop in your pasta and cook according to the package instructions. As the pasta cooks, take your beef and mushroom mixture off the heat and stir in the sour cream. Mix it well until you get that creamy texture we all love. By the way, if it's overwhelming to cook everything at once, you can start by boiling the pasta separately and then prepare the sauce. To assemble the dish, place the pasta in a large deep dish and then pour the creamy beef and mushroom sauce on top. Finally, garnish with a little dry parsley for a pop of color. If you've got fresh parsley, that's even better. Hello again. Ground beef stroganoff. This is simplified dish, very delicious. In Soviet Union, everywhere you go, whether that was Belarus, Ukraine or Kazakhstan, people like to put sour cream in everywhere, whether it'll be borscht or pelmeni or manti, everything like that. And that's why this dish really, I can relate to that. I tried how it tastes before I put sour cream and after, and definitely after putting the sour cream in here, it tastes so much better, at least for my liking. So you try, guys, and it's very simple. Thank you, and until next time.